Spawn on die, the rollout for this one. This is going to allow you to actually say if you want something to come after the tile goes to the die state. So if I enable it, I can actually say specifically I want this object to reappear somewhere else and or to the same spot based on a time delay, based on a random amount. So when it comes to spawn on die, if you say, for instance, move to middle, move to end, I'm basically setting up two keyframes using this. We have a delay time for the min and max before it starts if you want a slight randomness to it. If you don't, just be sure that you have both values set to the same and you'll get the same value every time. You have the option inside of here for whether or not you want to spawn a random tile or spawn from all of them in the list. This one, there's going to be a brush inside of Build a Game, and it'll be a spawn brush. Whatever you choose for it is what's going to come up from it. So if you choose a coin, and you want a coin to be what spawns out after it goes to the die state, then you can choose that for it. There's also a delay between spawning. You may want all items to spawn. You may have like 10 items that spawn out from it, and you want them all to be there. Then you can say 0 delay time, or you may want it to be one at a time based on every half second or full second. The option for remove when not visible just simply means that what it's saying is that if you don't see it, then you go ahead and remove it. There is a snap to grid, so that if you want when the spawn item comes out, you can actually snap it to the spot. The spawn start point is for the audio clip, so that each time you hear the spawning, you get an audio cue from it. So the keyframes, which is from the stuff right above here, move to middle, move to end. If those are checked, what you'll get is a option for start position, middle, end. So you're saying where is the position going to start, where is the second keyframe going to come in, where's the last one going to come in. So if you wanted an object to move upwards and then move back down, you could have it set for that. You have a start, middle, end for the scale as well. So if you wanted to scale small and go large, if you want it to be the same size up and down and stay the same, you can do that. You have the timer. Timer is just saying how quickly is it going to go from one to the other. All right. And then you have a, if you want to do a physics-based, you can actually say that you want to use force to apply the item, the spawn item, to come out. Then you can actually just apply the force to the start, middle, or end. You can use it for all three, and or you can just say at the very end you want to apply a force for it to be pushed out to a certain direction. You can enable the gravity on the spawn item, whether it is or isn't on. And then you can also say for the amount, you're saying which direction. There's a min max. That way, if you want to have like 5 or 10 coins spawn outward, you can do it where it's kind of a random force amount and then a random direction.